When I had the procedure done, they put numbing drops, and that's when I worried, am I going to feel something? You feel nothing. You just lie down, Ali talks you through, and then you just keep looking at the light, and that was it. And then you open your eyes and you see much, much better, you know. I didn't expect the first thing that when I sit up that I will be able to see straight away like that. That was probably the biggest shock. The aftercare was absolutely amazing. They really looked after me. I didn't have any discomfort or anything like that, any itchy eyes or dry eyes. I was at work 3-4 days after.